Say no to abusive relationship. Say no to it. Okay, tell me why I'll make my hair as a married woman and my husband will come and use scissors and cut my hair. I don't understand though. Viewers and subscribers of BVI channel 1 Plus, welcome back to our channel. With you today is Amaka. So this is what I have for you guys today. Looking at this video, you see that the facial expression of this lady is showing that this man is abusive. But what I'm asking is, please, this woman, didn't she go into a relationship with this man, or rather both of them, were they not in relationship before marriage, so that they will find all these faults? Because if the man is not okay with that kind of hair, why getting married with, to a lady that you don't like your lady making long hair? Why getting married to such a lady? Or as a lady, why getting married to a man that you know that and then you go ahead to disobey by making such hair? So I want to understand something from this video, because assuming they went into proper relationship and all of that, maybe they jumped into marriage or something, but I don't know. But in a result of relationship, you find out all these things, and you know that this is red flag, and you move away from it. Okay, why not? Why being so abusive towards this lady? Why don't you chase her out? Tell her to go. If you guys cannot be compatible, you guys should see, because these are something that when you give birth now, your children, your kids will grow with it. Like watching you cutting your wife's hair, like watching my daddy cut my mom's hair. So I think they will start feeling that that's the right path to go and the right way to follow. Please, let's do well by going into a very healthy relationship. When you find faults in your relationship, try to fix it. If it's not working well, try another person rather than going into that then thing that that will still cost you. Okay, so moving over to our second video.
Wait, let me call you back, babe. Are you mad? I go suffocate you. You mad? A woman now. I go suffocate you. Are you mad?
Looking at this video now, you see that I think this lady triggered the man. I don't know what really caused this fight, but why? Oh my god, why fighting a lady? Why? And they're trying to separate together. They're trying to strangle her. Okay, now look at this. She's almost half naked. She's almost half naked.
Hey! Jesus!
Okay, now looking at this fight now, why can't you guys sort it out? This is on set that is happening. You guys went to shoot a movie and all of a sudden, boom, are fighting. So why? What's the fight for? Why can't you sort out things amicably? All these fights in this was everybody they pain everybody for this country. So if you come Gbasgbos all the time, so I think you should do better. Try to contain your anger, even when you have anger issues and all of that. Try to contain it, limit it, stop, because okay, if you follow man now, come do the thing now, if you run. So please, and I can't really see a reason why you gonna fight a woman, because why would you do that? Firstly, this lady now, this girl now is she's a lady, and you know how women's mouths used to, maybe she's bragging, if you touch me I'll break your head, if you do this or that. Like, just walk out, go, maybe move out of that premises for some time, and then you come back later, because all this lady, before somebody will die in somebody's hand now and it results to jail. So let's try and avoid problems, please. Moving over to our last video for today, I was talking about kids, like children who are into cultism at a very tender age. Okay, now watch this video. Looking at this video, you see is showing there already that these children are engaging into sexual activities. Because why will you be inside the classroom and you guys are divided into sections? You divided yourselves into section and you guys are kissing, touching each other inside the classroom at that age. Oh my god, like I'm so scared. The younger generations, the things that we do now, like it's massive. Like the massive I'm talking about is illegal. Like it's not even adding up, because we'll still give birth. What will our future generation now do if we are doing all these things? Oh my god. A lady was crying on social media that she's afraid of taking her kid, her small child, to school because of sexual harassment and all of that. So you see what this world is turning into. I don't even know, because is it that sometimes it's not from the parents, it's peer group influence. So but I think children should try and build their mindsets. You should try and know how to deal, like on your daily life and all of that. Know how to build your footsteps. Later in life now they'll start regretting all of this action, because why not? Please, your opinions on this video, please state them out on the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Till we come again. Peace out.